Good evening friends. Time for a technical update on the markets. The markets opened flat today. It traded with a positive bias during the first half of the day. However, during the second half of the day, it gave off the gains it made in the early morning session and ending the day with a 33-point cut on the Nifty. The advanced decline was 446 advances with 1067 declines. Which indicates that the broad market weakness persists in the market, which we are seeing since last couple of days. Now let us look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that a rising wedge Nifty has been trading in a rising wedge pattern, and today it has touched the upper resistance line and has given a negative closing today. The daily momentum indicator is just about to give a sell signal. On the hourly charts, we can observe that an ending diagonal pattern. On the hourly charts, we can observe that an ending diagonal pattern has been formed, and it has also broken down from the crucial hourly moving averages. It is trading below the crucial hourly moving averages of 6073 and 6052, which will be the crucial resistances, hourly resistances for tomorrow's trade. The hourly momentum indicator has already given a sell signal today, so signs of weakness for tomorrow's trade will persist. Overall, for the Nifty, we expect weakness in the markets to continue up to 5850, 5987, which is the 20 daily moving average, will act as a crucial support for the Nifty. Now moving on to Bank Nifty. This is an hourly chart of Bank Nifty. We can observe that the Bank Nifty was trading in a sideways pattern for a past couple of days, and which has been the range has been broken on the downside. The hourly momentum indicator of Bank Nifty has given a fresh sell signal, and we expect Bank Nifty to trade with a negative bias for targets of 12,500 and 12,250 on the downside, and 12,700 will act as a crucial resistance for the Bank Nifty. Now moving on to the stock specific ideas for tomorrow's trade. The first one which we have is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has formed an ending diagonal or a rising wedge pattern which has broken on the downside. So we expect ICICI Bank to trade with a negative bias for targets of 1142 and 1100. The next stock which we have is BHEL. BHEL has broken from a triangular pattern, and since last 2 days it was trading positively. We feel that it was just testing the resistance trend line, and again today it has given a negative closing, and the daily momentum indicator is also already in negative mode. So we expect targets of 222 and 210 for BHEL on the downside. Thank you.